Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to click the subscribe button below and also click on that bell icon. It will definitely notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. So in today's video I am going to show you how I make my DIY rosemary water. So all you need for this DIY is just rosemary and glass of water. So I'm adding my rosemary inside the pot, and I am going to be adding my glass of water. This water depends on the amount of rosemary that you are making. Because my rosemary is not that big, I am not going to add too much water. I am going to only add 1 cup of water. So now I am going to put my rosemary on top of the stove. So I am going to cook this on a very low heat. This is very important. Don't overheat your rosemary. I'm going to leave it at number 2 and I'm going to simmer it for at least 40 minutes. Low heat, cook it gently so you will not lose all the wonderful nutrients in the rosemary. So this has been cooking for 40 minutes and now I have offed my cooker, and I am going to leave it to cool down properly before I separate the water from the rosemary. So now the rosemary water has cooled down. I am going to separate the water from the rosemary. And here I am going to putting it in a spray bottle. You can use application bottle if that is what you have. It's just something to make it very easy for you to apply the rosemary on your hair. So I'm back from making the rosemary and I'm applying this rosemary water on a very clean washed hair. I have washed my hair, shampoo, condition and all that jazz, and before I applied the rosemary I dried off the excess water from my hair, and I'm going to apply this rosemary on my hair and massage it in properly. But most importantly, I am going to leave this rosemary sit on my hair and air dry by itself. I'm not going to dry it, I'm not going to touch it. I'm just going to leave it to sit on my hair and dry by itself. So rosemary helps to stimulate hair growth, and it also improves your blood circulation on your scalp. And rosemary is very good for itchy dry scalp and also dandruff. If you're trying to get rid of dandruff and your scalp is very itchy, rosemary is very good for that, to apply it on your hair. I've been using rosemary now since I bake chop. I've been putting rosemary essential oil in all my oil mix, and I started making this rosemary water recently, and also I'm also seeing the benefit of using rosemary water on my hair. So now I am going to put the remaining rosemary water in a small bottle, and I'm going to leave this bottle in my fridge. I normally do this every 2 weeks. Whenever I do my wash day routine, I normally sprinkle the rosemary water on my hair, and also I sprinkle rosemary water on my hair when my hair is on protective style as well. I sprinkle it on my hair when my hair is on braid or twist or whatever. I sprinkle it and I massage it down on my hair as well. So this is how I make my rosemary water, and this is what I do, how I apply it on my hair. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.